All right, welcome back here to BNS Creations. Hadn't done a video in a while. Sometimes I just forget about it, but had a customer order a table and some chairs. So I'm putting 6 chairs in. My thief dogs come in to take the wood. That's what I'm looking at. So thought I'd take a video. I got this sander here. I invert it. Got some clamps, put it on the table. So I don't have a station sander, belt sander, so we're gonna make this work the best we can and take off some material. So I'll do a short video of doing that, and it's about to get loud. Got my earplugs in. Y'all turn the volume down or mute it or something until I turn all this off. So, kind of evened up. I don't know if y'all can see it real good or not, but when it comes off the table saw, or can't think of what I'm thinking here, the belt saw, anyway, so you kind of try to cut the lines, but you don't always get it. So, go to this bad boy here, and you can move some material. If you see me had it up like this, those y'all that don't know, but when you have a belt sander, where the rollers are, you can take off a whole lot of material real quick if you focus what you want on that part. And then up here on this flat part, it kind of smooth it out a little bit. So when you see me up like this, I had to move a bunch of material, but so you can just take and smooth it out where there's any saw marks or whatnot. I leave some on there just simply because I do handmade furniture, not box store furniture. So I kind of like I think it adds character to the style that I do. But anyways, hadn't made a video in a while. I just wanted to make a video. Band saw is what that was a while ago. I was trying to think of. Sometimes I get out here and lose my mind. So anyways, y'all have a good time.